Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the first one, settings bar. Here we can manage our aspect ratio. We are in 3 and 4. Let's move to left to 1 and 1. And now, as you can see, the background has changed to the square one, so this is how it works. Another tap to the right corner and let's move to 9 and 16. Now we can see the longer aspect ratio, and here in the settings we can also pick the full aspect ratio, so for now we can see the full camera frame. And of course, when we pick the right corner button once again, you can go to whatever you need. Now let me move back to 3 and 4, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.